Okay, so what we got here is some remanufactured OEM headlights. They're just Chinese. I got them off eBay. But man, I cannot really tell the difference between these and OEM really. They're like pure factory finish. You know, even the little, it says Honda right there, everything. So I'm hoping they fit good and they are bright and you can aim the headlights and everything, but just holding them here in my hand, they're really good quality. Okay, so I just rigged up a battery here. It's out of a snowmobile, but it's 12 volts. It's freshly charged. It's not a lot of cranking amps, so it should work. I don't have my battery here just yet. I just put some oil in. I did just use GN4 Honda. Put a brand new oil filter from Honda. I did run some oil through it and crank it over with no fuel in the tank to just kind of flush it out, and it looked okay. So I'm gonna attempt to start it. I think I have everything plugged in. I plugged in my dash. I just bypassed the bank angle sensor, which is the tip over sensor. I don't have it, so this whole bike was crashed. This whole area was missing a lot of shit, so I don't have that. I didn't have the original cluster on this bike, and the guy that gave me the bike was like, here, I think this is off of 600, you can have it. I don't care what the mileage is. I know this bike has 16,000 K on it, and the mileage on this is showing 79,000. Definitely does not have 79,000 on this bike, but even if it does, she's fresh. She's looking brand new. I wish I could roll that back to 0. There might be a way I could roll that back, who knows, or buy another one. I don't have a key, so you can see just this one button turns it on. It's kind of a racing thing for right now. You can hear the fuel pump prime. I just put some fuel in. So I think she might be ready to start. Let's see. It does crank over. I don't know if it has spark. Obviously, I do not have exhaust on this, so it might be really loud if it does start. Also, I don't have any coolant, so I'm not going to be running it for long. I'm just going to probably let it run for 30 seconds and give it a blip of the throttle and shut it down. That's it, guys. She started up.